Morning students, 8th standard science physics chemistry part unit 5 electricity. Electricity means a form of energy resulting from the existence of charge particle. Okay students, first we see the topic electric circuit. This is a simple electric circuit. Okay, the circuit containing battery, lamp and switch and connecting wires. Okay, the battery is a source of the circuit. Okay, then lamp is the electrical resistor. Okay, the lamp is the electrical resistor. This electrical resistor refers to the device that consumes the energy. Okay, then this is key. Okay, switch, key. This is the control. Okay, control is the mechanism that is used to start, stop and regulate the electric current. Okay. Then when the key is on, the electrons from the battery flow from the negative terminal, okay, through the wire conductor, then through the bulb, okay, and finally back to the positive terminal of the battery. Okay. So the light glow when the current is flowing through its filament. Okay, this lamp is glow when the current is flowing through its filament. Okay. How to define electric current? The path through which electrons flow from one terminal to the another terminal of the source is called the electric circuit. Okay, here in the battery, the path through which electron flow from one terminal. This is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal. Okay. The path through which electrons flow from one terminal to the another terminal of the source is called the electric circuit. Okay, this is electric circuit. Next, the electric circuit, there are two basic ways. Okay, connect these components. They are series and parallel. Okay, the electric circuits has two types of the circuit. One is series circuits and then second one parallel circuit. Students, see that picture. This is the series circuit. Okay, this is the series circuit. A series circuit is one that has more than one resistor. Okay, this is the resistor. Resistor means the bulb. Okay, more than one resistor but only one path through. Here the path is one way. Okay, only one path through which the electrons can travel. Okay, only one path is very important in the series circuit. Okay, so the current through the circuit remains same throughout the circuit. So here flow the current is same, but voltage gets divided across the bulb. The voltage divided gets across the bulb is different. Okay students, here one important thing, we know that if the lights are in series circuit, one burned. Okay, one light is burned and one burned out bulb will keep all the lights off. Okay, all the lights off. If the number of bulbs in the circuit with the battery increases, the light will be dimmer. Okay, here two bulbs are connected. In many circuits, number of bulbs. Okay, in the serial circuit we connect number of bulbs. Okay, that number of bulbs in the circuit with battery increases, the light will be dimmer. Okay, the light will be dimmer because many resistors are acting. Many resistors are acting on the same power from the battery. Okay, do you follow? Students, from this circuit This is the series circuit. Okay, here we find the voltage. Okay, voltage in series circuit. Okay, okay. Then in series circuit, same current. Here we see I. Okay, denote I. This is the battery. This is the positive terminal. This is the negative terminal. Okay, battery, positive terminal, negative terminal. The battery give potential V. Okay, voltage V. Okay, okay. Then same current travel through every resistance. These are the resistors. Okay, through every resistance, and the voltage will be different across each resistance. Okay, the voltage across the each resistor will be different. Okay, V1, V2, V3. So the current be a current through the circuit. I be the current be the circuit, and V1, V2, V3 is the voltage across the each bulb. The supply voltage V is the supply voltage V is the total of the individual voltage. Okay, V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, students, next we see parallel circuit. This is a simple parallel circuit. Okay, in parallel circuit there are more than one resistor. Here also connected more than one resistor. Resistor means bulb. Okay, more than one resistor, and they are connected on many paths. Okay, connected on many paths. Here we see the negative positive terminal. Here one connection, and then here another one connection. So they are arranged on many paths. Okay, this is the parallel circuit. So the voltage across the resistor remains same, but the current flowing through the circuit get divided across the each resistor. Current may be different. In series circuit, current same, voltage different. Here voltage same, current different. Students, all the light bulbs in our homes are connected in the parallel circuit. If one bulb burns out, the other bulbs in the room will still work. Okay, so the bulb in the parallel circuit do not dim out as in series circuit. In the series circuit, we know dim. Okay, but in this parallel circuit do not dim out. Okay, this is because the voltage across one branch is the same as the voltage across the another branches. Okay, this is one branch, this is another one branch. Okay, students, this is the parallel circuit. This is also parallel circuit. Here we calculate current in the parallel circuit. Okay, let us consider three bulbs are connected in series. V be the voltage. Okay, this is a battery. This is a battery, positive terminal, negative terminal. V be the voltage across the bulb. Okay, and I1, this I is divided into each resistors I1, I2, I3. So be the current across each bulb. The current I from the battery is the total of the individual. So total of the individual current flowing through the circuits. Okay. Students, next we discuss about the topic chemical effect of electric current. Chemical effect of electric current. Okay. The chemical reactions produce electrons which conduct electricity. Okay. The chemical reactions takes place. Okay, some chemical reactions produce electrons which conduct electricity. This is called the chemical effect of electric current. Okay, okay. Then common application, the electroplating. Electroplating is the one of the most common application of chemical effect of electric current. See that electroplating. Students, this is an arrangement of electroplating. Okay, here take a glass jar. This is one glass jar. Okay, take a glass jar and fill it with the copper sulfate solution. Okay, then connect a copper metal. Take copper metal and copper metal plate and connect to it to the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, then Then connect the iron spoon. This is an iron spoon. Okay. Iron spoon to the negative terminal of the battery. Okay. Now dip them in the copper sulfate solution. Okay. These plates are plate and spoon dip into the copper sulfate solution. When the electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, so this arrangements when electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, this is the solution, copper sulfate solution. We find that thin layer of copper metal, is deposited on the iron spoon. Okay, the thin layer of the copper metal is deposited on the iron spoon. Okay, an equivalent amount of copper is lost by the copper plate. Okay, here the plate, the copper amount is lost. This equal amount is deposited on the iron spoon. Okay, students. So, how to define electroplating? The process of depositing a layer of one metal over the surface of another metal by passing electric current is called electroplating. Okay, the process of depositing a layer of one metal over the surface of the another metal by passing electric current is called the electroplating. Okay, students. Thank you.